Hello and welcome everybody back to AD Trades. In this video, all I want to do is I want to make it quick and short. In this video, all I want to do is give you beginners who are watching my channel and who are watching this video two new strategies, two new indicators that you can use in order to elevate and take your trading to the next level. If you've just started trading and you don't know what you're doing, stick along. This video will guide you. Now let's get right into it. I don't want to waste any time. For example, if you look at this trade right here, I took it based off of supply and demand zones. Okay, if you guys haven't heard of that, go watch another video. I will put out a video soon about what supply and demand zones are, but I don't have one yet. Go watch a different video on a different YouTube channel for what supply and demand zones are and come back. But we have something called SND boring. I just want you to go to your indicator tab and type S/D boring. Okay, this is the first one by Nephew Sam. All right, it's a weird name, but it's Nephew Sam, and favorite this because this is what we're going to be using right now. All right, so once you favorite that, we're going to go ahead and use it. What does this do? If you guys know what supply and demand is, you should also be knowing that there are other indicators in supply and demand that we have. But this one is by far the most simplistic and minimalistic. If you know anything about me, I love simplistic stuff. I don't like to overcomplicate things. I like to right to the point, right? And this indicator does just that. So in other indicators, if you have a zone from right here, we would have a huge like block and this and that. It's just a whole bunch of like rubbish, right? This indicator just has two lines and you have to identify that as a zone. For example, this is going from one candle's bottom to one candle's top. I will zoom it out. This candle is going from one candle's bottom to one candle's top, right? This is a zone, right? So this is supply zone, right? When price comes back to that zone and touches in here, we take a long position up here and have our take profit at a previous swing high. We don't trade like lunatics here. Always remember, price action is very important, but always remember to risk manage. You have to manage your risk. If not, no strategy is going to work because no strategy is 100% win rate. Every strategy has its own flaws. If you don't know how to manage risk, do not trade because you need to learn how to do that first. Anyways, so we had price go back down here, enter the zone, and then come back up and take profit. Okay, same way with this trade over here. What happened? We had a short position right here, and price came back, touched this zone, touched it, and entry, and we had our take profit at a previous swing low. Okay, this is a swing low with a lot of wicks here, a lot of points of interest. So we touched it. We have our stop loss. By the way, our stop loss is going to be always right above this zone. Okay, stop loss is right above it, and here in this trade our stop loss is right under it. As you can see over here, this is my stop loss, is right under this blue zone. Okay, and that's what it is. This indicator is, that's all. These are the default settings, by the way. Don't change anything. These are the default settings. Maybe you want to put this as 50% because it was at H and L when you first open it. Put it at 50%. Highs and lows, just put it at 50%. Okay, that's it. And the next indicator we're going to be looking at is something that is very useful if you know how to use it properly. This indicator. So it's called PO3, power of 3. Okay, you're going to go to your indicators tab and you're going to type PO3. All right, and it's called HTF power of 3. Okay, by 2 degrees. Okay, that's what the indicator is called. You're going to add it. No settings change. Just keep everything as the way it is. And all this indicator is this is the daily time frame candle. So this is the daily time frame candle of whatever is going on here. For example, when you're trading, you don't have to keep going back to the daily and the 5 minute or the daily to the 1 hour, whatever you trade with, right? You can just have it right here beside your 5 minute. I'm trading on the 5 minute time frame right now, and I don't even have to go check the daily time frame because I have everything I need right here, right? All this is just telling me whether my daily is bullish or bearish, and that's going to help me identify my trade for the rest of the day. That's all it is. And yeah, guys, so these are the two indicators that I wish I knew when I started trading when I first started trading. Now, you could use these two indicators with whatever strategy you're using right now to maximize your profits, right? If they all align, then you have a AAA checklist right there, and you can enter that trade with full confidence and win it. So yeah, always remember, I'm going to leave you guys with this one note. Always remember, if you're a new trader, risk management is very important. If you don't have that, then do not trade because you will lose. Okay, you need to know how to risk manage. If you don't know how to risk manage, do not trade. And again, if you're not a beginner and you're still watching this, you can also use it. I also use this sometimes. I've been trading for over 4 years. I also use this sometimes, but I don't use it all the time. I use it combining with my other strategies to maximize my profits, right? But if you guys are not a beginner who's watching right now, and you have friends who are trying to learn how to trade, send this video to them. Let's share this video, let's blow this up, and let's get everyone to start trading, because it's 2024, gonna be 2025, and this new year has to be the world of traders. Okay, let's create this new world of traders, guys. Come on, everyone has to start trading. Let's get on this. Okay, we're making money, everyone has to make money. If I win, you win. If you win, everyone else wins. All right, let's do this. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video really helpful, and please leave a like below, subscribe to my channel, and leave the bell notification on, because the next video is going to be very useful for you guys who are also professional traders, maybe, right? I'm going to be talking about supply and demand zones and how to identify them even without having to use an indicator. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.